Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Most great and best exchange is Bilaxy. As you will see here, it's 24 hours trading volume of SMG 10,369 USDT. Greater than two exchanges, FatBTC and Catex. Then it's great. Okay, you buy and sell SMG tokens in Bilaxy. Okay, this is my registration link. Use this link to register your account and buy and sell, withdraw or deposit SMG tokens in here, because its 24-hour volumes are greater than other two exchanges. It's good. Okay, this is my referral code 1552175. As you will see here, when I am clicking here, this is the 24 hours volume. Okay, and this is, enter your email address here. Okay, and choose password, and referral code is here. Okay, when you are using this referral code, okay, you will get bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, either you want to trade or withdraw deposit. Okay, and here is SMG tokens trading 24 hours volume 10,374. It's great than other exchanges. Okay, then use this exchange. You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. solmaxglobal.link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team. We welcome new people to join our professional team. Same link is here. Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Types of income. Daily profits on ROI, return on investment, 1 to 2% for 200 days. direct bonus 10%, binary bonus 10%, and matching bonus. You must level and see both sides, left and right side. Then you will get 50% of only referral bonus. Level 1 20%, level 1 direct bonus 10% and binary bonus 20%. Level 2 15%. Level 2 means referrals of the referrals commission. Okay, you can refer someone and you register using your referral link, and after that if further advertise is referral link and refer other, then is referral link anyone use, register and invest, then level 2 commission, level 2 is get 20% on the first level and you will get level 2 15% referrals of the referrals commission in this way. And level 2 of this person referrals, if invested, then you will get 10%. If this person referrals will invest it, then you will get 5% bonus. In this way it will become 50% referral bonus. It's a good opportunity of this company. You also earn with more earn with your referrals. If you build up your own team and start earning, then you will earn more with your team. In this way, referrals of the commission. If I am going to an exchange, SMG, okay, and I want to sell, okay, convert it USDT, see its price. Okay, now its price is 0.00672. okay, if I am clicking here 100% sell on this exchange, it's limit order. Okay, you can execute your trades on limit order. As you will see here, if I am selling 5000 SMG, then I have received 33 USDT. Okay, if I am setting the price, for example, I want to set the price is 7, okay, then I have received 35 USDT. Okay, for example, I am setting the price, okay, 7, then I am clicking here 100% and I am clicking here sell SMG. Okay, the password is incorrect, type your password is here. Okay, I am typing password. Okay, after typing the password here, okay, for limit orders, just click here to sell it. Okay, first I am setting the security password. I have not set it before. Okay, how to set it? Just click here Click here to mine, and after clicking here, security password. Okay, just click here security password, and type here new password, confirm password, and Google Authenticator code. Okay, I have already set it Google Authenticator, right? Code. Now I have set it both of them. See how to set it. Okay, after typing password, just click here to confirm it. Okay, I am again typing. Okay, I have set it again. Just click here to confirm it. Confirmed, succeeded. Okay, now back to the exchange and SMG, and again sell it. Okay, click here on 100%. Now type the amount here, like I want to sell it. Okay, and click type here your password. Okay, typing password here, just click here to sell SMG. Okay, I have received 35 USDT if sold. Okay, as you can see here, my SMG balance is now 0. Okay, because my order is okay, open order is this. Undone means it's pending. Okay, see the price when price is high to 7. Okay, it totally depends on to the market situation. Okay, if I am clicking here, okay, it will open. Now its price is very down, as you will see here. See when it's high. Okay, your target is this 7. Okay, and it's 1 hour chart. If I am seeing it one day, okay, now its price is very down, 0.006. Okay, one day. And if I am seeing it 4 hours, it's also down. And if I am seeing 30-minute time frame, bearish market. Okay, okay, just wait, price is high. Okay, the market situation is very down. Maybe the price is 0.0054 or 1. Okay, to avoid more losses, so I want to sell it now current price. Okay, to save me more losses. Sometimes it's maybe it's up, but it takes time, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, but I want to sell now. Okay, and maybe today the price is maybe going more down. Okay, very down, because 0.006, maybe it's 0.005, maybe it's 0.0041. Okay, now I want to save me more losses, so I want to sell it the current price. Okay, I want to cancel my open order. Okay, click here to cancel it. Okay, after it canceling, now sell it current price. Okay, click here 100%. I have received 33 USDT. Okay, and now sell it. Its limit order, as you will see here, the status is 100. Okay, but it will be executed immediately. Okay, just wait. Okay, now I am checking my order, executed or not. Check it here. Okay, as you will see here, my order will be completed. Okay, executed successfully. 5,000 SMG tokens will be sold. Okay, okay, I hope you will understand how to sell SMG tokens. Okay, now you can withdraw this USDT, okay, or invest on any website, or withdraw for cash, or withdraw on another exchange for cash, any purpose. Okay, in this way. Thanks.